Human needs energy for our growth. In order to get these nutrients from the food we eat, we must first break down the food into smaller and simpler substance that our body can absorb. This is done by our digestive system. Our digestive system consists with various organs. How does each of our organ works? Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to Science is Cool. Today's episode, it's all about our digestive system. Let's begin our Science is Cool.
Digestive system begins in our mouth, where the food enters. The teeth in our mouth chews the food to break down into smaller pieces. The tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Our saliva contains enzymes that digest starch into sugar. The saliva moistens and softens the food so that it can be swallowed easily. Then the tongue helps to swallow the food down to the esophagus to the stomach. Esophagus is a tube that food passes from the mouth to the stomach. The walls of the esophagus moves in waves to push the food down to the stomach. The stomach produces an acidic juice to kill bacteria in the food. It also produces enzymes that digest proteins. The food, which is now in partly digested form, moves slowly into the intestines. The intestines are divided into two parts, namely the small intestines and the large intestines. The small intestines are the longest part of our digestive system, and it is 22 to 25 feet long. The food remains for several hours. The two large glands are the liver and pancreas. The liver and the pancreas are connected to the small intestine by ducts and tubes. Pancreas produces enzymes to digest proteins, carbohydrates, and fats into food. The liver produces bile and sends it to the small intestines. The bile used for emulsification of fats. In this stage, the size and structure of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats becomes smaller and simpler. They are absorbed through our walls of our small intestines into our bloodstreams. Then it is carried to our circulatory system towards the inferior vena cava to the heart and transported throughout our body. Water, vitamins, and minerals are being absorbed. The blood carries those nutrients to all the cells in our body. The undigested food then enters the large intestines. The large intestines is much wider, however, it is shorter. The waste material slowly moved through our colon or the large intestine over a period of 10 to 20 hours. The undigested food is stored as food waste or fiber waste to the rectum. Then it is passed out of the body as feces through the anus.
The organ in our digestive system is important. They help in food digestion, absorb nutrients needed for our good health and growth, removes undigested food from our body. Therefore, we should take care of our organs for them to function properly. We should follow the food dietary guidelines, such as eating more vegetable and fruit regularly every day. Drink more plain water. Eat regularly in regular hours. Do not overeating. Do not rush when eating. Have breakfast every morning. And exercise regularly. So that's about it for now in our Sciencey School Digestive System. I'm Blair saying bye for now, and remember to eat regularly because science is cool. Ciao!